बच्चों, पिछले वीडियो में हमने बात की थी हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल और वन वेरिएबल। सो लीनियर इक्वेशन वन वेरिएबल को सॉल्व करने के लिए कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं, क्या करते हैं, वो हमने आपको बताया था। अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 है एक्सरसाइज 6.1 के। हमने बाकी क्वेश्चन पहले वाले कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, एक्सरसाइज 6.1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, it is given that sum of the length of three pieces is 91. A piece of wood be cut in three pieces. Shortest length be taken as x. Shortest length be x. Second length is 3 centimeter more than shortest. So second length is x plus 3. Third length is twice of shortest. So it is 2x. So these are three lengths of the piece of wood. So first in equation we can make the sum is 91. X plus 3 plus 2x is less than equals to 91. Because when we do some work, some wastage also there. So length of these three pieces should be less than or equals to 91. Then we have x plus 2x, 4x less than equals to 91 minus 3. 4x is less than 88 less than equals to x is less than equals to 22. So according to first inequation, the condition is the length of x is less than 22. In the question, one more thing is given, the third length be at least 5 centimeter longer than the second. Third length is at least 5 centimeter longer than second. So third length is 2x, second is x plus 3. So we can make second equation, third length 2x is greater than equals to x plus 3 plus 5. At least means greater than or equals to. At most means less than equals to. So here 2x minus x less than greater than equals to 8. X is greater than equals to 8. This is second condition. So by first and second condition we can say x is greater than equals to 22. X is greater than equals to 8 and less than equals to 22. X is greater than equals to 8 and less than equals to 22, or we can say x is belongs to 8 and 22. So length of shortest piece be greater than equals to 8 and less than equals to 22. So in this way we can solve this problem. Then some more questions on linear inequalities. When we have two side inequality, suppose we have 3x minus 5 greater than equals to 2 less than equals to 10. It is given that 3x minus 5 greater than equals to 2 less than equals to 10. We have two sides inequality. To solve these questions, you can solve one by one means first we can solve first half and second half part like this. First we can solve 2 is less than equals to 3x minus 5 minus 3x less than equals to minus 5 minus 2 minus 3x less than equals to minus 7, 3x is greater than equals to 7, x is greater than equals to 7 by 3. So we can solve first and second part. Same way we can solve second and third part. 3x minus 5 is less than equals to 10. 3x less than equals to 10 plus 5. 3x less than equals to 15. X is less than equals to 5. And now combine these two answers. X is greater than equals to 7 by 3 and less than 5. So by first and second we can say x is greater than equals to 7 by 3 and less than 5. Or we can say x belongs to 7 by 3 to 5. So to solve this inequation, this inequality, we can solve in two parts. First method. Same way, there is second method also to solve this. We can add, subtract same number in each three terms. There are three terms. We can multiply by same number to all three terms. We can divide each term by same number. We can add same number, or we can subtract same number to each three terms to simplify this, to get the value of x. To get the value of x, हमें बीच में x लाना है, मिडिल टर्म में सिर्फ x बचना चाहिए. ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी लगानी है जिससे कि बीच में क्या बच जाए, x. तो बीच में x लाने के लिए इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का दूसरा तरीका क्या करेंगे आप, add 5 in each term. Add 5 in each term. 2 plus 5, 3x minus 5 plus 5 less than equals to 10 plus 5. So you will get 7 less than 3x less than equals to 50. And now we have 3x here, but we want x only. So divide each term by 3. Divide each term by 3. You will get 7 by 3 x less than by 15 by 3. 7 by 3 less than equals to x greater than equals to 5. Or we can say x belongs to 7 by 3 to 5. So in this way also we can solve this inequation. You can solve separately or you can solve in combined form. See one more example. If we have minus 3 less than equals to 4 minus 7x by 2 less than equals to 18. 4 minus 7x by 2 less than equals to 18. So what you can do? First add 4 in each term. Add 4 in each term. you will get minus 3 plus 4, not add, subtract 4 from each term. 4 minus 7x by 2 minus 4, 18 minus 4. Subtract 4 from each term. You will get minus 7 less than equals to minus 7x by 2 less than equals to 14. And now multiply each term by 2. Minus 7 into 2 minus 7x by 2 into 2 14 into 2 minus 14 less than equals to minus 7x less than equals to 28. And now divide each term by minus 1 because we are getting here minus 7x. अगर माइनस 7x को 7x बनाना है तो माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. जब भी माइनस साइन से मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करते हैं इनइक्वालिटी चेंज होगी. तो ये हो जाएगा 14 लेस देन इक्वल्स टू बन जाएगा ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 7x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू माइनस 28. इनइक्वालिटी चेंज हो जाएगी. And now divide each term by 7. 2 greater than equals to x greater than equals to minus 4. Or we can write this as the value of x is greater than minus 4 less than 2. We can write reverse of it. X is greater than minus 4 less than 2. This implies x belongs to minus 4 and 2. ऐसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं इसको. इसी क्वेश्चन को करने का दूसरा तरीका क्या होगा? माइनस 3 लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 4 माइनस 7x by 2 लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 18. अगर आपको वैसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. माइनस 3 लेस देन 4 माइनस 7x by 2 then 7x by 2 4 plus 3 7x less than 14 x less than equals to 2. First condition. By solving first and second part, then you can solve second and third part. 4 minus 7x by 2 is less than equals to 18. So minus 7x by 2 less than equals to 18 minus 4 minus 7x by 2 less than equals to 14 minus 7x less than equals to 28. Multiply by minus sign. 7x greater than equals to minus 28. X greater than equals to minus 4. So by combining first and second, x greater than minus 4 and less than equals to 2. This implies x belongs to minus 4 2. So in this way also you can solve. Now we see one more question based on linear equality in one variable when we have both side inequality. First of all, you simplify this. minus 12 less than 4. This minus to this minus cancel out. 3x upon 5 less than equals to 2. And now we have 4 here, so you can subtract 4 from each term. Minus 12 minus 4, 4 plus 3x upon 5 minus 4 less than equals to 2 minus 4. Minus 16 less than equals to 3x upon 5 less than equals to minus 2. And now we have 3x upon 5. So multiply each term by 5. Minus 80 less than 3x less than minus 10. सबको हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया 5 से. And now here we have 3x, but we want x here only, so divide each term by 3. Minus 80 upon 3 less than x less than minus 10 by 3. So in this way you will get value of x, or we can say x belongs to minus 80 by 3. और इंटरवल होगा 80 by 3 पर ओपन, minus 10 upon 3 क्लोज इंटरवल. So in this way we can solve linear inequations. So now you can solve exercise 6.1 and miscellaneous exercise of chapter 6. Question number 1 to 6 you can solve. Tomorrow we will see more questions based on this linear inequality. Till then, goodbye.